he's so articulate. All of this is really a gift of Devi Sharadamba. He talks about Lalita Sasnama, one of the Namavalis, Sachamara Namavali, Sabhyadakshina, Sevita Yanamaha. It seemed like Sharadamba had sent her best emissary to come here and talk about Kanchi Kamakoti and Mahapariva. We could not have had a better bhagyam than that. All of you should pick up the latest Shruti issue, magazine issue from Chennai, or maybe it's also online. It has an entire set of articles dedicated to him. He just turned 50, October 4th. And one of the things I learned from there is that when Swamigal, Sri Bharati Tirtha Swamigal was in Chennai in Chaturmasyam in 2012, Shriramkumar sir had taken care of organizing 200 concerts over a period of 130 days, doing Sangeeta Upachara for Chandramauliswara Puja. So that is the amount of trust he has, and so are his capabilities. Probably we can go on. I didn't want to kind of force on him anything, but our only request was that we said, bring back Adi Shankara and Advaita and some amount of Kanchiness to it. I think we had more than that share. What more we have asked. In terms of ragas, I think he covered the whole gamut. He started from Mayamala Gaula, and then he went on. I not heard of at least Saraswati Manohari Ragam and Ganga Tarangini and a few other ragams. And Ahiri, soul stirring was Ahiri. Shama Shastri Kritis, Dikshita Kritis, the entire gamut. I don't think we could have been more fortunate to have had them. And Vaidyanathan sir, again, was very, very able and supportive on the Mridangam. We are so fortunate to have him here. I would like to also, apart from the artists, also like to thank Chinmaya Mission. Shankar Pillaji is not here, but he immediately when you asked him for the hall, he was very supportive. And so we really owe a big thanks to Chinmaya Mission, Shankar Pillaji, Dr. Bharwatra, and their volunteers, Shiva Ramurthy and Anand. They worked tirelessly to get the hall set up right after the Sunday school. So a big thanks to Shiva and Anand who stayed back. And thank you to every one of you. You have to forego your Sunday evening and other interesting things happening, including the Cubs playing today. And yesterday was Deepavali, tomorrow is Halloween. So you're able to come here and spend, and you got a treat of Deepavali sweets and Halloween treats with some good fireworks, gentle fireworks. I don't think you could ask for anything better than that. Thanks to every one of you. You'll just have Dr. Raghavan honor the artist with the shawl, and then I'm going to request Dr. Ramurthy to present them a token on our behalf. After that, we're going to have Naivedyam for Lord Badrinarayana, and then please collect prasadam. And also please note that we have, as Karlov Kumar announced, on December 4th Sunday, we'll have a regular Kritika Mandala Vedaparayanam Sunday evening at GG Temple, and then on December 25th, Mahapariva Aradhana. Thank you all, and those of you who have signed up, great, be on our mailing list to be informed. And if you'd like to make a voluntary contribution, please go to the front desk of Edward side, and we are thankful for any donations. So,
it was a really very unique kind of concert with the demonstration, with the philosophy, and mixed everything. And we also had a sample of the deeper side of Dikshita and his work. So we have, in Tyagaraja Utsavam, we have started this kind of an idea to promote special compositions of great musicians and great composers, and specifically with reference to Dikshita. Last year we had a very successful program. And I hope and also to copy whatever M.S. Subbulakshmi has sung as shlokas in a musical form. We want to teach all our children here in a group singing, and then that we have done over the years. Last year we had actually Bhajagovindam also. Okay? So We plan to more or less complete whatever she has done, like Hanuman Chalisa and Lakshmi Ashtotram and Nagendra Haraya and one after the other, so that the children at least pick up the best of great music. Thanks a lot for this wonderful program.
I forgot to acknowledge one of our other sponsors, Ashok Lakshmanan from PMSI. He was very supportive. I should have mentioned that. He's probably not here, but he's also extending his support. Please support him in any way you can if you have mortgage gains. Thank you.